Hello everyone, my name is Novan Basya.
My name is Aryan Abdulaziz.
My name is Maizal Amsati, guys.
Today we're going to discuss the recent train tragedy that happened in Bekasi a few weeks ago, And this actually become also one of the biggest topics in the nation because train are used by millions of people in the nation every day. Many student workers and family rely on train as their transportation. And this why this accident affected so much public attention.
Yeah, yes, Rufal.
Yep.
When people heard the news, many felt shocked and worried, right? Public transportation is supposed to provide safety and comfort from passenger. Unfortunately, accident like that remind us for that risk can still happen even in modern transportation.
Of course, yeah.
I personally saw many videos and report online about the tragedy. So passengers looked very scared and confused during the evacuation process.
Yeah, yeah.
Request officer and media team are quickly to help the victim and secure the area.
Yeah. According to several report, the accident caused injury to the passenger and disrupt train operation, right?
Right.
And many train schedule were delayed because the railway is because the dangerous place, and had to be inspected carefully after the accident. Some people also had difficulty continuing and their trip because the operation routes were temporarily affected. Not because that rail, but every system rail will be
Yeah.
affected because the delay of it.
And the situation like this can create panic among passengers, right?
Of course.
And their families. Imagine waiting for news from your relative while hearing that a train accident that occurred. It must have been a very emotional moment, right?
Yep.
And then for many people, it's hurt like very emotional moment. Like.
Yes, something like that.
Exactly. That's my communication. During emergency is very important.
Of course.
Yeah.
Many.
Authorities and transportation companies should provide clear and accurate information quickly so people do not become confused or spread false information online.
Well, the communication is important in every way, and besides the emotional impact, accident like this also create economic social problem, right?
Yeah.
And many workers arrive late at their office, students miss classes, and business were affected because transportation was disrupted and got delayed because of that accident,
You say a very important thing, right?
Yep, of course.
Public transportation plays a major role in supporting daily activities, right?
Okay.
When one system experience problem, many aspects of society can also be affected. Right?
Yeah, affected about it. Tell me about it.
I think this tragedy also reminds us about the importance of regular meditation and safety expectation, trains,
Yep.
railway tracks, signal system,
Of course.
and communication
Yeah,
equipment.
hear about it,
Yeah, must always be checked careful before operation.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, even a small technical problem can become dangerous, And if it gets ignored by everyone, preventive maintenance is much better than waiting the accident to happen.
One point, human error can also become a factor in transportation accident, right?
Yeah.
Because of that, train operator, technician, and office must receive proper training
Okay.
and follow strict safety procedure. Right?
That's why it's
Yes, I agree.
all about it.
Train drivers carry responsibility because they are responsible for the lives or handle of passenger at once. They need to stay focused and during operation.
Yeah. Another important thing is emergency preparedness, And transportation companies should regularly practice emergencies doing simulations so operator and patient know how to during dangerous situation about it, like that accident,
Oh yes.
Mm, that's
That's true. During emergencies, people often panic, right?
Yep.
If passenger understand evacuation procedure, injuries and confusion can be reduced.
social media also played a major role after the tragedy. Many people started updates, photo and videos relate to the accident. Some people use social media to spread sympathy and support for the victim.
Yeah. Unfortunately, there were also some people spreading unverified information about it from online media social, and this can spread fear and misunderstanding among the public.
Yeah, that is why we must become responsible social media user. Before sharing information, we should always check and then whether the source is trust or no.
Yep.
Incidents and victims, many citizens also appreciated the fast response for emergency team, medical workers, police officer, firefighter, and rescue teams worked hard to help the victim.
Yeah.
They truly show appreciation about it. And they create and help reduce the impact of the accident and ensure that indeed the same receive medical treatment immediately. Huh?
Incident like this also remind us how important healthcare workers are during emergency. Hospital and ambulance must always be prepared to handle large number of victims.
Yep.
I also think government so condition improving transportation infrastructure in Indonesia, better railway system and more advanced technology can help reduce future accident.
Many developed countries already use automatic monitoring and systems and advanced safety technology to prevent certain collision and some like technical failure about it. Yeah. And
Right.
Indonesia can continue learning and improving in this area.
Technology is important, right?
Yeah.
But discipline and responsibility are also necessary.
Yeah.
Safety rules only work effective if everyone follow them properly.
What?
Passengers also have responsibility. For example, they should listen to equipment and avoid dangerous behavior near railway tracks and prevent from during emergency.
Yeah. I mean, public awareness is very important, and like safety is not the only responsibility for that company, and but also the responsibility of our passenger and society. It's not like the responsibility of the company, but passenger too.
Yeah. After the tragedy, many people express sympathy and pray
Yeah.
for the victim and their families. It showed that Indonesians still have a strong sense of empathy.
I saw many communication organizing support and donating assistance for affected by just small act of kindness can help victim recover emotionally after traumatic burns.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true. Some of the children, as long as it's not no, and some victims may recover physically and emotionally, but emotionally they may still feel free or anxiety. Yeah. When using public transportation again, that will trauma when they are not getting better for the
Yeah.
emotionally.
That's why psychological support and counseling can also be important for accident victim.
Yeah, after the accident.
Yeah. Mental health is just important as physical.
What do you know about it?
Yes, I agree. Recovering from traumatic event often takes time, support, and understanding from others.
Yeah.
Hopefully. This tragedy can become an important lesson for the company, the government, and society. And stress accidents should be encouraged improvement in safety and public service.
We should not only focus on blaming other but also on
Yeah.
finding solution, right?
We need
To,
to have
to prevent similar incident in the future.
Better safety systems,
Yeah.
better training, better
Communication.
communication,
Yeah.
and better public awareness can
About
help.
a train tragedy.
Yeah.
Can help great safer transportation.
Yeah, I agree about that. Even though this tragedy was the very sad, you know,
Yeah.
that's so sad. Many member of family get the tragedy of that and died, and hopefully it can motivate positive change for Indonesian transportation system.
One point, public transportation should not only be affordable and efficient, right?
Yeah.
But also safe,
Safety
reliable, and
and
comfortable for all passengers.
In conclusion, Gerakan KAI Tran Tragedy become a reminder about the importance of safety, responsibility, teamwork, and preparedness in transportation system.
Yeah.
We hope all the victims recover soon and receive proper support from the government and the society.
Yeah, we also hope KAI and related authorities continue improving their system to prevent future accident.
And finally, let us learn from this incident and continue supporting several public transportation in Indonesia.
Yeah.
What
So, we hope the discuss can make motivate out of you all and the victim of the train. I
Yeah.
hope they are going better after the accident. So thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Hope you enjoy.